Remember when working from home felt temporary? Not anymore. More people than ever are embracing the remote work life. It's time to ditch the kitchen table office and create a space that's designed for focus and success. Let's get you set up. Your home office should be more than just a place to work. It should be a space that inspires you, keeps you motivated, and helps you do your best work. Think of it as an investment in your career and well-being. Let's start with the basics. You'll need a sturdy desk with enough surface area for your computer, notebooks, and any other essentials. A comfortable chair is non-negotiable. We'll talk more about ergonomics later. Don't forget about storage. Shelves, drawers, and filing systems will keep your workspace clutter-free. Desk. Choose a desk that fits your space and work style. Chair. Invest in a comfortable and supportive chair. Storage. Keep your workspace organized with shelves, drawers, or filing cabinets. Ergonomics is key to staying comfortable and preventing injuries. Adjust your chair so your feet are flat on the floor and your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your monitor is at eye level to avoid neck strain. Adjust your chair. Ensure proper posture and support. Monitor placement. Position your monitor at eye level. Keyboard and mouse. Use ergonomic accessories for comfort. Section 5. Fight the distraction demons. Distractions are productivity's worst enemy. Create a dedicated workspace that's separate from your living areas. Let your family know when you're at work and shouldn't be disturbed. Noise-canceling headphones can be a lifesaver. Dedicated workspace. Separate your work area from personal space. Communication. Set boundaries with family members or roommates. Noise-canceling headphones. Minimize distractions from your surroundings. Section 6. A splash of you. Personalizing your workspace. Your home office should reflect your personality. Add some plants for a touch of nature. Hang artwork that inspires you, or incorporate your favorite colors. A little personalization can make a big difference in how you feel in your workspace. Plants. Bring in some greenery to liven up your space. Artwork. Decorate with pieces that inspire or motivate you. Color. Use your favorite colors to create a positive and inviting atmosphere. Section 7. Budget-friendly. Hacks for a luxe office vibe. You don't need to break the bank to create a stylish and functional home office. With a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can achieve a luxe vibe without spending a fortune. Start by assessing what you already have and think about how you can repurpose items to fit your new office design. Shop your home for items you can repurpose, like a side table as a printer stand. This not only saves money, but also adds a unique touch to your workspace. Think outside the box and get creative with the items you already own. Look for affordable accessories and storage solutions. Thrift stores, discount shops, and online marketplaces can be treasure troves for finding stylish yet budget-friendly items. Consider multifunctional pieces that can serve more than one purpose, maximizing both space and utility. A fresh coat of paint can transform a space. Choose colors that inspire productivity and creativity. Whether you go for a bold accent wall or a calming neutral palette, paint is one of the most cost-effective ways to refresh your office. Repurpose existing furniture. Give old pieces new life in your office. An old bookshelf can become a chic storage unit, or a vintage chair can add character to your desk area. Upcycling not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to your workspace. Affordable accessories. Find stylish and functional items without overspending. Look for deals on office supplies, decorative items, and organizational tools. Small touches like a new desk lamp or a set of matching file folders can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your office. Paint. Refresh your space with a new coat of paint. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and finishes. You can even use stencils or decals to add a unique design element to your walls. Remember, a well-designed office can boost your productivity and make working from home a more enjoyable experience. Section 8. Plants, lighting, and other mood boosters. Creating a productive and pleasant home office environment is essential for maintaining focus and boosting your mood. Let's explore how plants, lighting, and other elements can transform your workspace. Natural light is your best friend. Position your desk near a window if possible. Natural light not only helps reduce eye strain, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. It can make your workspace feel more open and inviting, which can enhance your overall productivity. Add a desk lamp for task lighting. A good desk lamp can provide the focused lighting you need for detailed tasks, reducing the strain on your eyes. Choose a lamp with adjustable brightness to suit different times of the day and types of work. Plants not only look great but also purify the air. Adding a few indoor plants to your workspace can improve air quality by filtering out toxins. They also add a touch of nature, which can be calming and help reduce stress. Consider low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants if you're new to plant care. A diffuser with essential oils can create a calming atmosphere. Scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or peppermint can help you stay relaxed and focused. Aromatherapy can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your work environment and improve your mental clarity. Natural light. Maximize natural light by positioning your desk near a window. This not only helps you stay alert, but also connects you with the outside world, which can be refreshing during long work hours. If natural light is limited, consider using daylight bulbs to mimic the effect. Task lighting. Use a desk lamp for focused work. Proper lighting is crucial for reducing eye strain and maintaining concentration. Look for lamps with adjustable arms and brightness settings to customize your lighting needs throughout the day. Plants. Improve air quality and add a touch of nature. Plants like peace lilies, spider plants, and pothos are excellent choices for improving indoor air quality. They can absorb pollutants and increase humidity, making your workspace healthier and more comfortable. Essential oils. Create a calming and focused atmosphere with a diffuser. Experiment with different essential oils to find the scents that work best for you. Citrus oils can be invigorating, while floral scents can be soothing. A diffuser can also add a pleasant aroma to your workspace, making it a more enjoyable place to be. Section 9. Finding your flow. Tips for staying productive. Now that you have the perfect home office, it's time to make it a productivity powerhouse. A well-organized space can significantly boost your efficiency and focus. Establish a morning routine to get yourself in work mode. Start your day with a cup of coffee or tea, and take a few moments to plan out your tasks. This helps set a clear direction for the day. Take breaks throughout the day to avoid burnout. Short, frequent breaks can help maintain your energy levels and keep your mind fresh. Stretching or a quick walk can do wonders. Minimize distractions by silencing notifications and closing unnecessary tabs. This allows you to focus on the task at hand without constant interruptions. Morning routine. Start your day with a consistent routine to set the tone for productivity. This could include activities like meditation, exercise, or reading to get your mind and body ready for the day. Regular breaks. Step away from your desk to recharge and avoid burnout. Use this time to stretch, hydrate, or simply relax for a few minutes. Minimize distractions. Silence notifications and close unnecessary tabs to stay focused. Consider using productivity tools or apps that block distracting websites during work hours. Another tip is to set clear goals for each day. Write down your top priorities and tackle them one by one. This helps you stay on track and ensures that you accomplish the most important tasks. Utilize productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This can help maintain focus and prevent fatigue. Keep your workspace tidy. A clutter-free environment can reduce stress and help you think more clearly. Spend a few minutes at the end of each day organizing your desk. Finally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. By implementing these tips, you can create a productive and enjoyable work environment at home. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routines and make adjustments as needed to find what works best for you. Section 10. Embrace the remote life. Congratulations on creating your dream home office. Working remotely offers flexibility and freedom. Embrace the change and enjoy the amazing perks of being your own boss. In your pajamas if you want.